Hi everyone, in today's video I want to talk to you about the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Maybe you are at the point that you want to build your own website and you heard about WordPress, and you are now a little bit confused because there is WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So in this video I want to tell you exactly the difference between these two services, because WordPress.com and WordPress.org are two different things. So for example, if you what is WordPress.com? Now we are on the WordPress.com website here, and WordPress.com is a service like you maybe heard about it, like Wix or Squarespace. So WordPress.com is an online page builder, so you can build your website online. This means you don't have to worry about hosting, get hosting or pay for hosting, and also you don't have to worry about all the maintenance. But the downside of WordPress.com is that you don't own the website, that you don't really own the website, because the WordPress.com website, if you build a WordPress.com website, all the data is on belongs to the company. It doesn't really you don't really own the website, because you just rent the website. And so for example, you can build beautiful websites with WordPress.com, and you can also build online stores with WordPress.com. But the main thing is that you this is not really your website, and you don't have that much customization like you have with the WordPress.org website. And you can if you're starting out and want to build a smaller website for yourself, then this is a great benefit, because WordPress.com offers you a free plan, so you can start completely for free, but you don't get your personalized website domain name. So you cannot register www.yourname.com. This is not possible with the free service, so you always have www.yourname.wordpress.com. So but they are offering also domain names. So let me show you real quick the pricing here, the pricing plan. So you can see with WordPress.com you can start a free website. You can customize this website and build, for example, a blog or a personal portfolio website. And the next plan is the personal plan. It is $4 per month, so or €4 per month in my case, because I'm in Germany and we're using euro. So and here's 48 built annually, and there you have a free domain name, so you can choose a domain name, a custom domain name, www.yourname.com or whatever. And there you have the advantages that you of course have your own domain name, and that this website is completely ad-free. So with this free plan you always have a little banner on the left side or at the bottom that tells the visitor that this is a free WordPress.com website. But the positive thing here is that you don't have to worry about all the maintenance and choose the right hosting service for your website. This is a great plus. But on the opposite side, this gives you not that much customization like a WordPress.org website. So WordPress.org, you can install literally anything, any plugin, any customization. And this is the great benefit of WordPress.org. So let us go real quick to the WordPress.org website. So now I am on the WordPress.org website, and here you only have the option to download the WordPress.org software. So this is the WordPress software on WordPress.org is an open source software, so it costs you nothing to download. You can download it for free and then install it on your hosting account. So, but it is technically not completely free, because you have to get your own hosting and your own domain name. But this is not that expensive either. So a good hosting, you can find some videos on my channel about affordable web hosting. It is the most affordable web hosting is $3 per month, and it's even cheaper. But the downside here, of course, is that you have the full responsibility of for your website. So with WordPress.org, you have you must maintain your website. You have to choose the hosting company. You have to make backups regularly, and this is the downside of WordPress.org. But here you can choose any kind of theme, free theme or paid themes, and you can install any kind of plugin. So you are completely free, or you can even, if you are a programmer, you can even create your own plugins, your own functions, and integrate this in your WordPress.org website. So in my case, I always go with WordPress.org because first of all, it's cheaper. You can see the smallest plan here is €4, and in US dollar, I think it's $5 or $6 if you convert it, and it gives you definitely more freedom to create your website and to customize your website, and it's cheaper. But on the other side is you have to take care of everything yourself. You have to choose the hosting, you have to make the backups, and you have to take care of the maintenance. But you have completely freedom, and all the data, the complete website belongs to you. All the data belongs to you. It is not connected with any company, and so this is definitely your choice. If you want to have a quick and easy starting solution, then go with WordPress.com. Maybe start with the free plan, and if you are okay with the service, then of course you can upgrade at any time to one of these paid plans. But if you want to get the complete freedom from the get-go, then start with WordPress.org and get your hosting service. Like I said, you find some recommendations on my YouTube channel. You can go to my YouTube channel, and I made a video about the best hosting company and the most affordable hosting company or hosting plan. And there you can install WordPress, and it's really easy. Most hosting companies already offers you a one-click WordPress installation. So if you sign up there and buy your domain name and buy your hosting plan, then you go to the backend, and then you have there a button for a one-click WordPress installation, and it's really simple nowadays. And of course, you can find a whole WordPress tutorial where I show on my channel, where I show you everything step by step, how to build a WordPress website, and WordPress.org website, and I will guide you through this, how you can install WordPress, how to choose a hosting company, how to make your first website, and how the page builder works, and so on and so forth. So in conclusion, let's draw a little conclusion here. So if you want to have a free website and you don't care about the domain name, and then of course check out WordPress.com and start maybe with the free, and then if you want to have more customization, then choose another plan. But if you want to go fully customizable here, then definitely go with WordPress.org, because you have so many themes, you have all freedom of customization. You can choose any plugin you want, and that's it. So for this video, if you have any questions, then let me know in the comments down below, and I will try to answer all your questions as fast as I can. And if you learned something new in this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will publish more and more helpful videos about WordPress, WooCommerce and web design and all the good stuff. And so thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching my video, and see you next time. Bye.